The name coffee comes from the Arabic word kawa, which means wine of the bean. Coffee is one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world, and its popularity continues to grow. According to the International Coffee Organization, the global coffee consumption in 2020 was estimated to be around 164.2 million. Not only does it taste great, but it also has a number of benefits for both physical and mental health. Here are 6 facts about coffee that you probably don't know. Number 1. Improved energy levels and alertness. Caffeine is a natural stimulant that can help improve energy levels, alertness, and focus. This makes coffee the perfect pick-me-up in the morning, or when you need an extra boost to get through the day. Caffeine can also help reduce feelings of fatigue, which can be especially useful for those who work night shifts. Number 2. Lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Studies have shown that moderate coffee consumption can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. This may be due to the fact that coffee is rich in antioxidants and compounds that help improve the function of blood vessels. Additionally, coffee consumption has been shown to lower levels of inflammation in the body, which is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Number 3. Enhanced physical performance and endurance. Caffeine can also help improve physical performance and endurance, making it a great pre-workout drink. Studies have shown that caffeine can increase adrenaline levels in the body, which can lead to improved strength, power, and endurance. Additionally, caffeine can help to increase the release of fat from the fat tissues, which can be used as an energy source during exercise. Number 4. Improved cognitive function and memory. Coffee can improve cognitive function and memory, making it a great drink for students and office workers alike. This may be due to the fact that caffeine can help to improve blood flow to the brain, which can lead to increased cognitive function and alertness. Additionally, caffeine can help to improve the function of certain neurotransmitters, such as dopamine and acetylcholine, which play a crucial role in cognitive function. Number 5. Rich in antioxidants. Coffee is one of the most antioxidant-rich drinks around, and it can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Antioxidants can help to neutralize these free radicals and protect your cells from damage. Number 6. May help you live longer. Yes, you heard right. Some research suggests that regular coffee consumption may be associated with a longer life expectancy. Studies have shown that coffee drinkers have a lower risk of dying from all causes, including cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Additionally, coffee consumption has been linked to a lower risk of developing certain types of cancer, such as liver and endometrial cancer. Now let's talk about black coffee and milk coffee. Whether black coffee or milk coffee is better is a matter of personal preference. Some people prefer the bold, rich flavor of black coffee, while others prefer the milder taste and added creaminess of milk coffee. If you are looking for a healthier option, black coffee would be the better choice as it contains no added calories from milk or sugar. However, if you are looking for a sweeter and creamy taste, milk coffee would be a better option for you. So it's up to you, it's your choice. It's worth to note that these facts are associated with moderate coffee consumption, which is defined as 3 to 4 cups per day. In addition, these benefits may vary depending on individual characteristics, genetics, and other factors such as overall diet and lifestyle. Despite this, it's clear that coffee is more than just a drink, it's a beverage with real health benefits.